I just took the chance. I'm like, we'll figure this shit out. That's okay. So I landed the first day, and Thunder Bay Lakehead University provides that if you're arriving late, there will be students there from the LUSU, which is gonna help you to reach. You just need to give the address, and they will cover the taxi. So I gave the address of that motel. I landed there, and the moment I was literally like getting my stuff out, I see a lady, and she said like, "Hey, you seem like you just came from a holiday." I'm like, I was naive. I said, "Yeah, I just came at university." I started giving the information, which she's not even required. She's like, "Whatever you want, just pay me $20."
Did you do whatever you want?
Obviously, I was like, what she even meant. I didn't even know what she, because that time the lights were going on. I need to wake up tomorrow. I need to get my SIN number. I need to get my phone number and everything. That was going in my mind. Not that. And then suddenly the guy who was actually at the reception area.
अच्छा चलो.
हो गया तीनों recording?
Yes,
Test,
all
test.
good to go.
Nice.
We'll keep it Prakhar style.
Nice though.
है ना?
Why not Prakhar? Why not Diary of a CEO? That guy. I forget the
वो तो
name.
बहुत ज़्यादा formal है यार.
It's just starting.
हाँ, true.
We
it's
can
just
aim for
started.
it. We can aim for it.
We'll have Prakhar one day. चलो,
Okay.
let's start.
Yes, sir.
It's
Welcome,
to
sir.
the podcast.
So-
So, Jagmeet and I, we have known each other for a couple of years. We
Yeah.
were in Thandaway together. We lived in the same house for a year.
2 years.
2 years, yes. So, very close friends. We're meeting after a long time now.
Yeah.
For I think it's been a couple of months. Not even less again.
Yeah, it's been time.
Okay.
Just before you get married.
Just because I got married. Yeah.
So we can reveal that, right?
Yeah, they already, I think, you did look at my social
Oh,
media.
yeah.
So, the point of this podcast, why we started this was when I was in university and when I started working. But the बाद I thought, if I had known what mechanical engineers do 5 years down the line, what their career trajectory is like, I would not have chosen that path. Which is why I moved to IT, etc. Remaining of the story. Now the point of this is to learn from your journey. And there's a young Jagmeet out there who's looking for guidance. He should know the exact steps I should take to make his path easier. Which is, of course, everyone has their own journeys.
Yeah.
But we'll try and provide a framework.
Do you want me to provide like a framework, like how he can reach to the point if he wants to live
Yes.
in Puffle?
Yes.
Okay.
And मतलब it could be वो different हो सकता है, right? It could be, we'll talk about your content creation journey as well. We'll talk about your Canadian experience as well, life of an international student. We'll cover all of those aspects. But the base theme is how did you do as a student and now that you're here? From what I've known, you've always been very methodological. Like you need to cover your last year's tuition fee. तू पहले सेमेस्टर पे स्टार्ट सीगा मैं $300 महीने से सेव करने
Oh,
सारे
you remember?
एक्सपेंसेस I've given you example to Daman also.
Okay.
So you always knew जे मैं मेरे को $7,000 होने चाहिए to pay my fee. और मैं महीने $300 सेव करने हैं मैं सेव करने हैं what I'm gonna cut off तेरा बिल्कुल clear mind सीगा शुरू तो I've always admired about you. Even when we didn't know how to run LinkedIn. You connecting people ਜਿਹੜੀ ਗੱਲ ਮੈਂ ਹੁਣ Claude ਨਾਲ ਕਰਦਾ तू पहले ही करता ਸੀ since day one. So we try to learn from your experience. I don't know what you do now. We haven't spoken about your career for a while. So let's start with that. What do you do now and what does the job entail today?
I'm a senior software engineer. I do backend, front-end languages like Python, Java, and data pipeline, sometimes playing around with AWS. Earlier, when I joined in the industry, people have separate roles. Like the guy who's managing AWS is going to be a DevOps engineer. The guy who's doing the coding is a developer. And the guy who's doing the data management is a scientist or a analyst. Yeah.
So you are a senior software engineer now.
Yeah.
So you said when you were starting out, let's cover that one at a time.
Sure.
And when you started, what was my end goal then? Or end goal nahi सीखा?
Yeah. So I tell you, when I started, my master's was in data science and an AI sort of a thing, and chose the subject because that was the time where everyone was learning about AI. It was not at that boom at this level. I'm talking about 2019.
Okay.
Lakehead was my last. Like that was my last university I'll go to. मतलब मेरा ये था कि अगर मैं जाऊँगा कनाडा और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है तो मैं लेकर जाऊँगा.
Okay.
और तकदीरली हुआ भी यही, मिला भी वहीं. 9 यूनिवर्सिटीज अप्लाई करी और मिली एक ही और लेके. So I feel like that was a blessing in disguise. तो जब मैं आया तो एक सेमेस्टर के बाद लॉकडाउन लग गया था. And Lakehead, it was my first time I was moving out. I used to live in Delhi, तो दिल्ली के बाद में move out हो रहा था और it was a different culture, perspective, everything was different.
I've spoken about this with everyone has their own experience. Similar. But tell me about your first day in Canada.
First day, I have actually a story about this. So on the first day, before coming to Canada, I didn't know where I'm gonna stay. Reason being is that the Thunder Bay doesn't have that many resources available online. They were not that time there. That was the main reason I started what I started on the social media. So when I landed, only I know that there was a friend I met, which was my roommate, so our roommate as well. He landed one day before me and he told me there is a motel you can stay and for 1 week. I forget the name. I know where it is. It's near the waterfront area of McDonald's, just beside that. He told me that we can stay for 1 week there for $300 and then we can figure it out. That time I just took the chance. I'm like, you know what? We'll figure this out. We'll figure this shit out. That's okay. So I landed. I landed the first day, and Thunder Bay Lakehead University provides that if you're arriving late, there will be students there from the LUSU, which is gonna help you to reach. You just need to give the address, and they will cover the taxi and everything for you. So I gave the address of that motel. I landed there, and the moment I was literally like getting my stuff out, I see one lady, and she said like, "Hey, you seem like you just came from a holiday." I was naive. I said, "Yeah, I just came at university." I started giving the information which she's not even required. She's like, "Whatever you want, just pay me $20."
Did you do whatever you want?
I was like, what she even meant. I didn't even know what she, because that time the lot of stuff going on. I need to wake up tomorrow. I need to get my SIN number. I need to get my phone number and everything. That was going in my mind. Not that. And then suddenly the guy who was at the reception area, the motel, and he said like, "Yo, bro, just come in. Just don't indulge in the kind of stuff and just come in." And then I had a discussion with him. That's how I landed. That's how it worked, and this is how it was fun. But yeah, it was a story on the first day of Canada.
Crazy. Give me your one core memory about Lakehead that you remember. Like when you think of Lakehead, you remember that.
Late night assignments and times and just chilling, not giving a shit what people are doing, just chilling. That's it.
And Lakehead was fun, yaar.
Lakehead was always
one
fun.
of the
Lakehead,
best times.
that's why I said Lakehead was a blessing in disguise. I also want to thank COVID too. I mean, it was happened, but whatever happened, I really feel bad for the people, whatever it's gone through. But because of the COVID thing, I get to know a lot of stuff done. We get so much support from the government and really good stuff that I done.
Remember, we used to have cooking sessions at home.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Fucking
Cooking
games.
sessions, parties going on.
Games.
It
But
was-
we were always under the limit. We never went over 10 people.
We were on 5, 6,
Five,
that's it.
3, 4 people in the house. One guy used to come
That's
and
it.
he lived with us throughout.
Yeah, that's the one.
Like to track into your career as well. Will keep drifting if you can just can we keep the theme of your career. How did you keep my software engineer AE part करना? We're talking about 3 different streams. Let's talk about that now. And how did you choose your?
I never
Don't-
chose software engineer. I never chose, I want to be a software engineer. I always choose the thing I want to do, which was getting out of India. But I just want to give it a try, how people live there and what experience I could have. So it wasn't a hobby, it was more of a curiosity. Like what happens here on the other side of the world, or it feels like to live by independence and stuff like that. Now, I reverse engineered it, like how I can make a path of it. I can go for studies. What studies? You're a software engineer. You are a BTech computer science engineer. You can do software engineering. There's two options. You get a diploma. You got a master's. If I have to stay for a long time there, I may need a PR, which is better for the PR. Master's is the best for PR. This is how I reverse engineer the process. I want to do masters in computer science in Canada. I didn't think of US because I thought like long term US will not allow me to stay that much because of immigration stuff. The good bet is for Canada, you can get your masters there and you can go for PR. That's how I decided, okay, Canada is my calling right now. Coming back to software engineering, that time I realized I am so poor as a student, born in a strict family. My dad has money. He was very strict to make sure that the value of money, I inculcate that with myself. I need to make money by hook or by crook. That's why I started working as a cook, as a chef. Never did it back at home, but I did.
How was that experience?
It's actually good. I definitely Apple's founder said that you always will connect the dot backwards. You just have to keep moving upward. At that time, I used to hate it.
ये बात कर normal है, okay?
That time I used to hate it. But what happened? I feel that because of being working as a chef, now I'm able to understand more about the culture here because people definitely Thunder Bay is very a small
different.
community, right? So that's why I will understand and relate more now because of the experience I had there. समझ आया?
Don't you feel ਜਿਹੜੇ हम लोग जो Thunder Bay आए थे got to experience more cultures? People coming in bigger
That's why I
cities,
said it's a blessing in disguise because
people coming in bigger cities, they already have a kind of fallback.
it's a mature community of them that's already here. But I feel like back at home, that's not the case.
Make
Yeah.
our own community.
Yeah, I have my friends from various different communities, right? From various different parts of the world.
Like if some people are shout out from Thunder Bay.
This guy from Pakistan, I really like him. I really feel like he's a big brother for me. Guys from Thunder Bay area too, who were born raised there. There's guys from Kazakhstan and of mine who was from US. He moved to Thunder Bay because he wants to be a psychologist sort of a thing. So that's how I met, and actually also indigenous people I met there, and which I feel I literally know about the culture. But coming back to Wakis, so मेरे को पता लगा कि कल्चर कैसे है, उसकी वजह से मेरी इंग्लिश भी अच्छी है। उससे फिर मेरे को पता लगा कि कैसे यहाँ पे लोग एक कम्युनिटी कैसे बिल्ड होती है। यू गेट दैट जोक, यू गेट दैट फन, यू गेट दैट एवरीथिंग एंड बेसिकली indulges that. So that's मेरे को पता लगा, it was the blessing in disguise. बट उसके बाद मेरे को पता लगा कि भाई वैकिस was only paying minimum pay and इससे तो बात नहीं बनेगी, because I said the goal was clear. I need to save that money for doing my last year tuition fees. So then I said, I decided like what else I can do, right? Then that time people told me like people make good money on YouTube. That's how I get into YouTube. I started making, I suppose like 3 videos a month. We went to hiking, we went so much hiking.
We still have those videos.
Check me with Siddhu, just search it, you'll find it there. It's been 3 years I posted anything there, but sure, have a look at YouTube there. तो मैंने वहाँ पे देखा एंड देन आई फाइंड इट कि इट्स अ गुड एक्टिविटी, इट्स गुड, बट पता लगा कि इससे भाई जल्दी पैसा नहीं बनेगा,
टाइम लगेगा।
इससे वो बहुत टाइम लगेगा। बट आई स्टिल kept on doing it. Why? Because that time the things that happened with me of not knowing anything about Thunder Bay, I don't want anyone else go through it, so I started posting about Thunder Bay.
And you were getting traction also.
I know, good attraction for sure. I was making like $100 a month.
That
So,
is solid, like in the beginning.
I got monetized in 6 months and then I started making
That's
the
really
money.
good.
It's very good. But quick money चाहिए क्योंकि $300 वाला गोल पूरा नहीं हो रहा है,
हाँ, हाँ।
क्योंकि याशियां भी तो करनी है। चल, स्टूडेंट नहीं हुआ, याशियां भी आप पंगे हैं। तो then मेरे को पता लगा कि भाई ऐसे नहीं बनेगा, need to find something else. What else I can do? क्योंकि उस वक्त ये भी था कि PR भी लेनी है,
Right. हाँ।
because things were so weirdly in COVID
कोविड
के
के
अंदर
टाइम पे तो just crazy, like everything was haywire.
या कुछ पता ही नहीं होने वाला
हाँ,
क्या होने
हाँ।
वाला है। तो 3 चीजें चल रही थी भाई, जॉब लेनी है। क्यों लेनी है जॉब? क्योंकि PR मिलेगी। पहले PR हो जाए, उसके बाद करना क्या है फिगर आउट कर लेंगे। यहाँ तक कर ही लिया तो इतनी स्ट्रेंथ बनी जाती है
Right.
मेंटली कि अब
हाँ,
कर ही
हाँ।
लेंगे। फिर अब पता लगा जॉब लेनी है। अब PR तभी मिलेगी क्योंकि उसका रूल था कि तुमको उसी फील्ड में एक्सपीरियंस लेना पड़ेगा जिस फील्ड में तुमने पढ़ाई करी है। इट इज सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग, कंप्यूटर साइंस, ये अच्छा नॉट B कैटेगरी की भी जॉब होनी चाहिए। फिर मैंने देखा कि अच्छा कैसे कर सकते हैं। देन आई सडनली सी कि वी आवर यूनिवर्सिटी आल्सो गिव्स internship/co-op opportunities, but that will also push your masters to more than 2 years. So it was a 20 months program, and then whatever the co-op time you will have, so it will like 20 plus that co-op term. I don't want to do that. The reason being is that I just want to get rid of the city from there, because jobs are actually in Toronto. There's no shame in like that, because Toronto, then there is Vancouver, then there is some part of Calgary, Waterloo, and Montreal. There are more 4 big places.
I think we both on the same page. If we get a job tomorrow in February,
Yeah, definitely.
like even for me, if I get something, the only problem we didn't stay there was we didn't have a job. And even in other meets, I reached out to people in the community, like we have a job. They had this meeting, all the leaders had talked about this. That
Oh.
people like us are leaving because we aren't finding jobs.
That's
That
the
is the
reason.
only reason.
That's why Thunder Bay is like this. People study and move. That's it. Only the people who works in like nurses and fields which can be available everywhere in Canada. That's only the people that stay there. So अब पता लगा कि भाई करना पड़ेगा, अपनी फील्ड में जॉब ढूंढो। अब फील्ड में जॉब ढूंढने के लिए मैंने देखा co-op वाला ऑप्शन तो मैं नहीं करूँगा क्योंकि मेरे को जल्दी खत्म करके जाना है। एंड देन मैंने देखा कि LinkedIn पे एक देयर इज अ स्टार्टअप कॉल्ड वाटर जायंट जो कोविड में स्टार्ट हुआ था। दे पोस्टेड LinkedIn. That was the first time I actually applied for a role and I got lucky. That guy called me for the interview. I sold myself there, like
So,
literally.
like, let's talk about that. You sell yourself really well. So let's talk about
Yeah,
like when before. So this is a good segue.
yeah.
Before going, that's your first job interview
Mhm.
professionally.
Mm.
So that's your first job interview,
Mm.
and everyone is very scared of
Just